Hi, all you lovely people. Welcome to Beyond Tarot, and today I'm going to do a very beautiful reading for the Ariens, the fire sign that I love, and I love to mingle with these people. And this is what I want to tell you about the Ariens. So, Ariens are people who are very generous and very hardworking workaholics, and because I'm a Leo, a fire sign, I love to connect with more fire signs around me. So let's not waste time, and I know you guys are very curious to know how your Arians, how your month is going to be. So let's quickly see what is in store for you in terms of career, family life, and your love life. So I think these are very important things which everyone wants to know, isn't it? So, Arians, let us see first how your career is going to be. In terms of career, what I see is right now, whatever problems that you are going through, maybe too much of work is given to you, too much of things are being said to you, but I get the Five of Swords here, which says that you are not arguing, you are not fighting back, but you are trying to maintain your silence and trying to adjust to the situations around you. But let me tell you, this is a minor card, and it is also talking about minor situations, not very long time where you have to bear all this. So it's just a temporary phase where you are somewhere, a bit into that phase where you are not speaking up, maybe because you're afraid of losing your job. But what I want to say over here is that good times are following soon. So all those people, all the Arians who are looking for a promotion, who are looking for a gathering or some kind of celebrations in their life. So if I'm talking about career, it can mean a promotion also. So here I see a promotion coming in very soon, and the moon card over here is also showing some kind of confusions in your mind, maybe some kind of mistrust, some kind of things that are not very clear to you. So you are not very sure whether you want to stay in the same profession, and somewhere you are feeling something is fishy. So maybe this is just showing your state of mind over here. But what I see over here is that you will still manage to work in this particular institution or whatever job that you are in or business you are in. You are going to juggle and you are going to make a lot of money. So don't take hasty decisions, because the moon card always tries to kind of waver your mind. So this is also a wavering card, mind. So here you have to be a little careful. Don't take actions on impulse. The guidance for you is you need a short vacation. Try to unwind your thoughts, your processes, and try to just come to a stable mind and be in this profession, be in this job. Don't change it right now, because these are temporary situations which will change soon. So in terms of love life, let me see what is in store for you. In terms of love life, what I see is the situation that you are in right now. Maybe if you're in a relationship, if you are married, or if you are looking for a partner, you seem to be very contented and happy with whom you are, and internally also things are absolutely fine, complacent, and you seem to be like very happy with the emotions around you. Also here I see that your relationship is moving very smoothly, and you are going to take, so if you are unmarried, you are going to take the step forward, probably propose to your partner. So here somewhere this card, whenever I teach tarot, somewhere this card always reminds me of Shah Rukh Khan. So he's a lovely chocolate boy who, goes to his lady love and kneels down and gives her a flower and some chocolates, and probably, he'll just pop out a ring and put it in her finger. So somewhere here I'm getting that impression that something like this is going to happen in your life, and your partner is going to approach you and surprise you with probably a ring, and your relationship is going towards stability and more maturity. So what I see is you and your partner, you are going to take some mature decisions, and your relationship is moving some steps further. So nice cards for all you guys who are in a love relationship. In terms of family life, let us see what cards are in store for you. In terms of family life, what I see is that a lot of sensitivity is around you. So if people are saying some things to you, maybe if your parents or if your partner is trying to explain certain things to you, you are going to be a little offended and try to, you're trying to misunderstand your partner. So in terms of family life, what I see is that small disputes are going to be there, but the card here is trying to tell me that your mind should rule your heart. So try to be a little more practical in your approach towards your relationships with your family people. Also here, it's trying to tell me, this Knight of Pentacles is trying to tell me that you need to be a little grounded. Take things slow in your life. Don't take any hasty decisions in the family matters, and don't be too harsh with people around you. So here finally you have to decide what you have to cut down on, and try to filter your thoughts, your speech, and then what I see is that certain things, when kept in your mind rather than just throwing it out on people, this can create a balance and harmony into your family life. So somewhere here, these cards are trying to tell me that certain things need to be cut down, shortened, and you don't need to express everything around in your family. It's with that balance, your family life will be very stable. So I hope this reading resonates with you, and these are some guidances for general people. Like, it's not a reading which is truly for each and everyone. It may not resonate with you, but if it does, do take these points into consideration, and don't forget to drop in a comment in the comment section. I would love to hear from you, and share this video with more and more people around you. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with everyone. So I'll be waiting for your responses. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.